Okay, everyone. I figured this would probably be an easier way. Y'all can actually see me doing the work. And also, y'all can always pause and refer back. I saw some of your pictures, and it seems like some of y'all aren't really sure. And I know I was kind of all over the place. Y'all are gonna have to bear with me. I'm really sick right now. So, um, but okay. So here's a picture, and actually, I was talking about the lighting in SL. And here's a picture without the lighting, and here's a picture with the lighting. So as you can see, like, there's a pretty big difference. Um, but we're gonna work with this one. So like I said, there's gonna be a lockbox on your first layer, which means that you can't do anything with it until you remove that box. Um, the easiest way that I found to remove it is just drag it down over the layer, the new layer, create a new layer option. See, it says create a new layer. And then you just go up here and you delete. Right click and delete layer. Delete the one with the lockbox in it. So now you can work on this one. Now, to get rid of the background, tolerance sometimes plays a factor in this up here, and you'll find out the more that you use this magic wand tool, you'll see, like, the more it plays a factor and stuff like that. But you just click on the background you want to remove, and then these are what I call marching ants, up around here, all the way around. So the marching ants go all the way around, and you just press delete, and that gets rid of that. And you do the same thing on the other side. Now, this hair is not exactly a great hair to work with because there are so many little areas that you would have to delete out. But I'm not really going to work too much at this because I'm not going to show that side of her hair anyway. I am going to make sure that all the green, blue, whatever color you want to call that, is out on this side. So I'm going to get, oh, and how I just did that, I'm sorry, is I held down control, and if you press the plus or minus keys, then that'll zoom in or zoom out. I'm all about hotkeys, taking shortcuts and stuff like that. So anyway, alright, so let's get these areas out. And this one right here. And I think there was one more up here. This one, but I don't think that one's going to be in the picture anyway. Alright, then you want to zoom back out. And your background's gone. Easy enough, right? Okay, so now, as I was telling y'all to make 3 layers, but you put hard light on all of them, right? So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click the down arrow, and I'm going to click hard light. And then the same way that we got rid of the lockbox, we're going to do the same thing with this, except we're not going to delete any layers. So we're going to create 2 of those. Make sure that your middle one is selected. As you can see, there's already a difference in the way that she looks. Go to Filter, Other, and High Pass. Now, you can already see that there's a difference. Now, depending on what your preference is, and I know that I speak of preferences a whole lot, and it really is on preference. So, it is like if you go all the way up. Now look at how she looks. So you just pick whatever you think you like the best. What features you like highlighted more or less. I'm going to select, I'm going to go with 35. Probably be easier just to type it in. And then OK. And then you click on Create New Layer. It gives you a blank layer right here. This is a step, I don't know if I explained this to y'all or not, but I do this with all my pictures, so I'm just going to go ahead and tell y'all while I'm here. That way we don't have to go back and add it in later. Y'all can do this if you choose to, or you don't have to. It's up to you. And then I'll go to Image, Apply Image, click OK, and then go down to, you can go to Screen, or you can go to Light, whichever one you like, you know. And if screen is too light for you, you can always take down the opacity, so it just takes out the lightness just a little bit. Okay, picking up where we left off, you want to go ahead and right click one of the layers, it doesn't matter, any of these layers, go down to Merge Visible. Okay, then now all of it's into one. Let's go to, okay, make sure that the layer is highlighted, and click and drag and create new layer again. And what you can do is go to Filter, go to Blur, go to Gaussian Blur. This is some of you heard us talking about this in the class, and this is what we're referring to. It kind of helps smooth out some of the edges. So go to Gaussian Blur, and you still want to be able to see like details and stuff like that. So you definitely don't want to take it all the way up. It's going to take a minute for that to register. Yeah, see, it completely blurred out the whole thing. Some people might do that, I don't. So I'm going to take it down to about probably, let's do 8. Or, it doesn't matter, just, that's good. Click on OK. And then go to Overlay, right? This is just a quick way to do it. Now, one thing I don't like about this is it turned my AV really orange. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to merge these, Merge Visible, and then I'm going to create another layer. And please, I mean, if there is an easier way to do this, then y'all just let me know. This is just how I do it.